Hi friends, welcome back. Here I just go to the how to calculate the position in string. So I just click on intelligent ID and I just give the I just create first I just open the intelligent ID and after that I just create a new file here and here I just loading the file here. I just print next and again I just enter here and here I just write I just declare class is program 16. Here make sure that class name and file name should be same. And after that I just declare the main method here, that is public static void main string args here. And after that I just create here that is string txt. Here txt is a reference here and I just write that is txt equals to please locate where I just write to please locate where the uh, I just write where locate. I just write the locate in single quotation mark and I just write it here and they locate here and here I just write locate here and I just write after that I just print system.out.println. So I just write text dot index of locate. So here you can see that locate index of is written O is capital and after this I just save it. Here you can see that before locate I just see here that our again I just go to Intel and here you can see that I just zoom in. So you can see that before location I just calculate the position here. So this is the position 1 here and this is the position 2 here and this is the position 3 here. This is position 4 and this is position 5. This is and this is the position 6 here and this is the white space. It is considered as position 7. So here we just 7 position are present here and so you just write that is here 7 position is present before I just write locate here. So make sure that when you write locate you just use the double single quotation in the locate. So output is 7 here. So for that I just save it and after compiling I just run it. So you can see that the output will be 7 here and here you can see that I just save it here. For that saving I just use Control S here and after saving I just compile it. So for compilation I just press Control Shift plus F9 and next is for running I just use Control plus Shift plus F10 here and after that you can see the output here. There is the output is 7 here. So they move to right bottom, so the output is showing here. So I just write the comment here, so why it is used here. So for that I just write it. So this is 7 here and again I just write I just use double quotation mark here double quotation and I just write here we calculate position before locate and I just use this comment here. For double slash we just write the comment here. Again I just write before locate here or locate locate with white space also and the output is 7 here. So and uh, here and further to just write here we just we display the number of position here. So for that is before and here just write and here we just display the number before the position here and thank you.